Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to start physics, chapter 9, motion. And first of all, let's talk about the physics. What is physics? Physics is a branch of science dealing with the nature and the natural phenomena. Natural phenomena, whatever happens in our earth, like a earthquake, rainbow, magnetism, refraction, dispersion, and echo. These are the natural phenomena that you have studied in previous classes, and these phenomena are explained by the physics. And the next one, the branch of a science concerned with the nature and properties of nature and energy. The subject matter of physics includes mechanics, heat, light, and other radiation, sound, electricity, magnetism, and structure of atoms. It means that we are going to study about all these in physics. Physics is an art of applying approximation and imagination constrained by law of nature. It means that whatever we are thinking about any phenomena, we have to think it by using the law of nature. These we have to apply the law of nature, and so many equations are there that help us in solving many phenomena and help us to understand the phenomena. Next, physics is a science that deals with matter, energy, motion, and force. So basically a physics is what it is, a uh, branch of science that explains the natural phenomena, and so many natural phenomena that happens in our the world. And next one, these are the question answers means in previous classes you have studied about all this, and these are the short questions, just like a dispersion of light. What is a dispersion? The splitting of light into seven colors through a glass prism. We know that when a light passes through a prism, it splits the light in seven colors. We know that it is Vic-Beur, and seven colors we know that. Now you have to tell me what is the speed of light in vacuum. Speed of light in vacuum, you have to tell me in a comment box. Define the light year. Light year is a unit of distance used to measure the distance of celestial bodies. It means that when, just like a unit of distance, we know that it is a meter, centimeter, kilometer, miles, so many units of distance are there. But if we are measuring the too much distance, or we can say a long distance, we use the term here light year, or a unit of a distance, it is a light year. One light year, it is equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 kilometer. Next, define frequency, time period, and these all are related to sound or waves. What is the frequency? Number of oscillations per second, it is called frequency. In another way we can define it, a vibrating body completes a fixed number of oscillations or a cycles or vibrations in 1 second. It is called frequency. Its unit is hertz. What is the full form of LED? LED is a light emitting diode. What is the function of ciliary muscles in human eye? We know that there are so many parts of the human eye. One of the part is a ciliary muscle. What is its function? Its function is it adjusts the size and the focal length of the eye lenses. Why tires are made circular? It is related to friction. Friction chapter you have studied this, chapter number 4 in our previous classes, 8th class. And what is the friction? Friction is a force, opposing force that opposes the motion of the body. And related to friction, why tires are made circular? Tires are made circular because rolling friction is less than sliding friction. We know that three types of friction are there: static friction, sliding friction, and rolling friction. And rolling friction is very less than sliding and static friction. Number next, which instrument is used to measure the atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure, it is measured by an instrument which is called barometer. What is the range of the human ear? It is human ear, it is a 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Which planet is known as red planet? It is Mars. In the comment box you have to tell me the which planet is known as green planet. What is the unit of force? Unit of force, what is the force? Its formula is F is equal to ma, and we will study about this in our chapter number 10, and its unit is Newton. Next one, these are the notes, and in the notes we will study the different terms, and it is a rest and motion. What is the difference between rest and motion? Scalar and vector quantity, then distance time graph, then we have a uniform motion, and what is the slope here, what the slope gives. And the next one, non-uniform motion, their graphs. and distance and displacement. What is the difference between distance and displacement? Next one, we have a speed and velocity. What is the difference between speed and velocity, where we use speed and the term and the velocity? Next one is acceleration, and then after we will study about this average speed, and in the next video I will explain all these terms. And the important thing is here, graph. You have to understand the graph for the next problems. Just like the graph is given and you have to calculate here what is the graph, here shows, and calculate the acceleration from the graph, and so many problems based on the graph. So thanks for watching my video, and next video it based on a definition of the terms. And thanks for watching.